Okay, so we need a few cleaning items. I'm gonna go ahead and get this Myers. Although the Myers is not Myron, okay? This is $5. But look how small it is compared to the one at Target. I ain't gonna get the one from here. Or should I? Because when I'm going to Target, honey, I don't know. But also they have the Lysol up here. So I could get one of these because the Myers at Target, I believe, is $3. You know what? I'm gonna just get one of these, the Lysol. And look, honey, they now have the Downy for $5, okay? And the Tide for $5. All right. I remember when I used to live in the projects, we used to use this. Okay. So I'm gonna grab one of these, and then I'm gonna grab one of the Myers. They also have the paper towels, 6 rolls, for $3. But I'm trying to see. I think this is a good deal. Also the garbage bags. So I'm not gonna get these garbage bags. I'm gonna get the game ones. There's $1, okay? Honey, I said these Harmony paper towels, they $3. They got these in the wrong spot. These things are $5. I'm trying to see what else I came in here for. A part of me like we could do the soap from here. Okay, let me see. One second. No, this soap, and I get the soap from Stop and Shop. But I do need a scarf. So we're going to go ahead and get a scarf until I could get to the beauty supply store to get a bonnet. So they got these little scarves over here. Okay. I could use this. I don't know what happened to the bonnets that I had brought. Because they must be just disappeared. So I'm going to get one of these. I had happened to turn around. My intuition said, girl, turn around. Okay? Now, I see they have these scarves. But I don't know about these scarves, like for the hair or whatever. Okay, so I was looking for the headphones to show you guys. But they don't have no more of the $5 headphones. So I really don't need no headphones anyway. I just wanted to put it in a bag. Let's see what else they have. Or what else I need. Oh, trash bags before I forget. Oh, and these these blue rags. I gotta get some stuff from there too, from the freezer section. This is always a must in my house. These rags, okay? Always a must. Okay, so they don't have the regular Glad trash bags that I normally get, so we gonna go with 2 of these, which is not bad because it's 15 in each box. So I really like they plates and bowls and stuff. Honey, you can't beat this, okay? Who gonna know you came here, okay? Unless you doing the video. But who gonna know? And look at this. Now, I don't really care for this, the design on this, but if it was plain, it would definitely be good. Okay. And then they have some more over here, along with the cups. Honey, they fancy, okay? Look, honey, okay? You want to decorate, okay? They ain't got to know. They ain't got to know you got this stuff from here. Look at the plate with the happiness grows here, okay? Look at this. Off the market. Who's off the market, honey? Okay? I hope you got a ring on it, okay? All right, let's see what else they got. Okay, so they have the Easter items out already, okay? Over here. And then they have all the Easter stuff over here. Now, I do not celebrate the holidays, but if you guys do, honey, you got to always do what works for you, okay? They have some super soft leggings over here. Honey, it's no reason, okay, for $5, okay? And then they got the socks over here. I showed you guys these socks before, but it looks like they have like a different theme, okay? They even have the Spider-Man socks up here. All right. Who need a stool? Okay, they have the stools over here, honey, even the slippers. Okay. They have the stools over here. You need some slippers, okay? These not your regular slippers. They have the cushion with the pushing in there, okay? Hand towels. I told you guys before, Dollar Tree is coming for somebody, okay? Somebody is going out of business, okay? Look at these. This is cute, and it's very thick. Nice. Okay, so you say you want to be fancy, huh? Look at these washcloths, okay? Look at these. You could put these in your guest bathroom, okay? If you have one, and if you don't, that's okay, okay? Because I'm going to have one very soon, but we going to put this in our regular bathrooms. This says stay a while, relax. Nice. And these are $3. Very, very nice. Now, this Clorox I would get, but honey, I had used one of these. I don't know which cleaning item I used, but look at my darn hands. Okay, so I don't know what it was that I used. But I'm going to go ahead and get one of these. I believe in having a lot of cleaning stuff in my apartment, okay? Especially when I'm cleaning and stuff like that. It's nothing feels better than a clean goddamn house. You get what I'm saying, okay? So I'm going to get one of these. Okay, I'm going to get another one of these because the one I had, it was spilling in my darn bag. So they must be just started like putting the storage stuff back here because this whole section over here is nothing but like storage containers and bins. And I remember it used to be a store I used to go to called Containers, which they stuff is really, really good. But over here, honey, you could get some storage items, some containers and stuff like that. Look at this. For $1. Okay. Now, I don't know if the lid is separate or if the lid go together or for $1.25. I don't know. But yeah, okay. Instead of you going all the way to the beauty supply store, you could come right to your local Dollar Tree, okay? They have the shower caps, 10 pieces for $1. Now, I'm trying to see because the one at the beauty supply store, you probably get about 50, okay? Honey, you're going to have to use your discernment. So, I'm going to get my youngest children these beef tortillas. I guess that's how you pronounce them. Okay, I'm gonna get them this and probably the Dino Buddies. No, I think I'm gonna do the crispy battered fish fillets and then the boneless wings. Oh, but they probably say those too hot. But let's just see. All right, so I got like 2 of these, the crispy batters, then the beef tortillas, and then the boneless wings. And I'm trying to see about the dinosaur shaped. I don't think I'm going to get those today. Yeah, I think that the fish thing is better. Okay, so, honey, I'm almost done. Okay, so I had got my children a chicken top ramen. Okay, now we heading out to checkout. How you doing? Good. That's a smart choice. Okay, family, we are done. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what are some of the items that you normally get when you come to the Dollar Tree or Dollar General. Okay, rock out, believe in yourself. Make sure you are growing, going, and honey glowing. Until next time, peace.